Hello, Jonathan Chandler here from the Virginia School of Traditional Arts. Do a little repair on our wood lathe. I have a Jet 12 by 36 model wood lathe, and I'll show you what the trouble is and show you how we're going to fix it. This is our tailstock, and normally it doesn't stick out the back. When we've been turning this, it's supposed to turn inside here and push this way. But it's not doing that anymore. And the other day I had a block of wood between here, and I was twisting on this and I was smashing it up. It was spinning on me a little bit, so I wanted to get it tighter, and I turned it and I felt it give way, and I didn't know what held that in there, but I felt it break. What is gone here is there's a little groove right here, right where my finger is, and that holds an E-clip. Some people call them C-clips, E-clips. It's a little half moon shaped clip with little knobs on the inside curve of it, and it grabs on here. Now the trick is you're supposed to unscrew this the entire way out this way, and then we'll put the E-clip on and stick it through, and we'll have to take this handle off. This handle part, the round part here, will come off. Comes off with Allen screws, I'm pretty sure, and we'll take that off and we'll put our new E-clip on and have to thread it all back through. Alright, I've got an Allen wrench here, and I just picked this one up because it was the biggest one, the longest one, and hit right on the money the first go round. I never do that. So we got this loose, and we'll slide that off. And this has a little rough place here, a little groove where that should go back in so it can purchase and turn that. And so I went to the cheap tool store, Harbor Freight, and we've got these are the E-clips, and that's what they look like, the picture of course. And what we'll have to do is we'll pull this out here, we'll put our E-clip on, and then we'll slide it back, and it'll only go through so far. That E-clip holds it, and then we'll put our handle back on. Okay, when we open our box up, it's got a mark here, which is very nice, and what I've measured, I think it's about a half, so we're going to try a half on our piece, and we'll see if that's the right one. You can hold it this direction, maybe. Alright, we just need it to hold still so we can hit it a time or two. Alright, and that seems to have done it, and that's what it looks like. It's just a little clip on there. That seemed to have done what we needed it to do. And now, if it's the right size one, it'll go back through here, and it keeps it from coming out. Right? Now, the trick to this is getting us back in the right spot right there. That's a little, we're going to put that dead center top, and I'll try to hold it and get our Allen screw back in there. Alright, when we turn this part pulls in and out. And as far as I know, this same process will work on any of the larger jet lathes. The small ones, like the minis, have a different setup. Their handle is made different. It doesn't have an E-clip, but this one, all it does is has an E-clip, and that's basically what holds it in there. And the other thing is this spindle here has a groove in it, and that's where this handle should fit in that groove. And as you tighten it, it should tighten in that groove so it's not chewing up your round part here. So just when you loosen it, and then you can turn it, and it stays in that groove, keeps it from just spinning around and around. But that's it. Thank you for staying with us on this video. Hope this helped you. Like and subscribe. Leave us a comment. Have a good day.